Now let's look at animating our formation of aliens. First, we have to find the processing JS draw function because that's the one that does the animation. Well, here it is, that special function that we use for animation. And what we're going to do is move our strike force call to the draw method. So we're going to take this draw right here, cut it out of there, and put it into here. So we still get our aliens. And now let's add the background back in so we can draw them over. Here we have our aliens. And now that I've put them in the draw function, it's getting called over and over again, and it's animating them like we did with Flapping Bird by switching between different images. So again, this is in the library, so you don't have to worry about writing that code. However, you do know how to implement something like that from Flapping Bird. Okay, the next thing we want to do is find the method that advances the strike force towards the planet and call it. Okay, well, let's see if there's something that will advance the strike force towards the planet. Oh, here's a method called advance. Let's try calling that advance. Oh, and here our strike force is advancing in unison in order to reach the planet. But we haven't implemented a planet yet. Okay, so let's look at the next step. Our next step is to create the cannon. And this Word document continues to go step by step to tell you what to do. So for your final project, you're just going to continue to follow these steps through step 10, and you will end up with a working Noes Invaders program. If you want to do some extra credit and do some modifications on the program, you can look up here and look at some of these properties and change the properties. For example, maybe you're a big fan of Noes and you don't want the alien to look like Noes. So we could search through here and change what image is being set for the alien. So instead of having Noes happy, or maybe it'd be kind of fun to do these purple pie guys. We could do purple on this one and pink purple, and then they're flashing different colors. So you can customize your Space Invaders by going through here and changing some of these values. And they all have comments to help you know what it's going to be. So if you want the flashing to happen at a different phase, you could do something like make it a lot faster and they flash back and forth faster. Or you could up it and then they flash slower. I kind of like 20. But you can go through and change different things. Now, if you make a mistake and you break the library and it stops working, well, you can always go back and start over from that link and make a new spin-off. And that's our final project. I hope you have a lot of fun with it.